Are you in the market for buying a diamond? Whether you are buying your first promise ring, engagement ring, or upgrading from a 1/2 carat to a 2-carat diamond, or you have a vision of a custom designed piece of jewelry, I would like to help you make this happen. Our reputation speaks for itself. We act with integrity and honesty. We have been in the jewelry industry since 1985 and have had hundreds and thousands of satisfied customers. Our knowledge in the marketplace sets us apart. Since we deal directly with diamond manufacturers, if we do not have what you are looking for, we guarantee we will get it for you. We literally have millions of diamonds at our fingertips. We know the prices in the marketplace, so we can deliver the product you need for the right price. We have inventory of certified and uncertified diamonds on hand, and we can custom make any jewelry item you can imagine with our talented staff of jewelers that are on site. We love our customers. Most of our customers remain customers for life. I personally will guarantee that you will be satisfied not only with your purchase, but with your entire purchase experience here at Kayla Designs. Our prices are the best out there, hands down. Feel free to test this out. Come to us and you'll see the difference firsthand. Why do we have such good value? The answer is simple. We started as a wholesale business, and we have kept the wholesale mentality going as we have expanded over the years. We believe that we can satisfy many of our customer needs, making a modest profit many times instead of inflating our prices and making large profits occasionally.